Yeah, acha. So he slept early yesterday, and obviously he woke up early because he slept yesterday around 8 o'clock. This morning he's out, he's playing here, our balcony. So I made some arrangement here so they can play outside. 이제 주스, 레몬 주스. 누워서 어떻게 마시냐? 레몬 주스. 레몬 주스. 왜? Ah, good job.
Yes, Youngji. Let's see if he can go up on this on his own. ले मैंने तो बोला और ये चढ़ गया. Oh, sorry, you have to go. This is soburu. I've already eaten. Then I realized एक video तो ले लूँ. So actually the traditional soburu is like this fried bread, but बीच में the red bean paste is there. But this one has cream, and I actually like the red bean paste one, but वो मिला नहीं होगा. That's why Bhanu got this. So yeah, this is soburu with my coffee, and Youngji is eating a sandwich, and Daddy is eating an apple. Good job.
하네? He just asked me to open the butter. So I just opened a little so that I showed him how it works. And he opened it and he pulled this thing out of this and started playing like this. Interesting.
Now in the park, actually हो गया थोड़ा time. Oh, you are looking nice in the blue seat, Youngji. So Youngji is with Ghonu in the park और मैं ऊपर आ गई थी जल्दी, and I thought I'll just prepare for dinner a bit. तो आज मैं ना I'm going to try something new. I am planning to make mushroom and tofu paratha for him. So मैंने मशरूम चॉप कर दिया है और ये अनियन, इनको मैं थोड़ा सा सॉटे करूँगी. एंड ये रहा टोफू को मैं थोड़ा सा पनीर की तरह ना मैश करके फिर इसके साथ एंड में मिक्स कर दूँगी जब ये थोड़ा सॉटे करके ठंडा हो जाए. देन आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू कि ये मैं टोफू मैंने निकाल लिया था पैकेजिंग में से, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ यू store it basically. You put it in a jar and then just cover the tofu with water ऊपर तक, इससे ये फ्रेश रहता है. तो गाइस आटा गूंद लिया है, एंड ये है टोफू मशरूम अनियन मिक्सचर विद सम सॉल्ट एंड पेपर. इसने किसी और की हाईजैक कर लिए बॉल, इसकी लेके आ गए हैं, बट ही इज़ नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. Good job. अब उसको नीचे फेंकना.
Walking. Youngji sitting on the stool after such a long time. I think he's enjoying it. It's 7:40.
So guys, मशरूम पराठा इज़ रेडी, एंड अब मैं हमारा जेओक बोकम्बाप बनाने वाली हूँ. बाप तो बना हुआ है. सो जेओक basically spicy stir fried pork. One general difference that I've seen in Korean food is कि आप सारी vegetables and सब chop करो, meat everything, and आप सब सारा कुछ एक साथ पैन में डाल दो. Chopping is one major work in Korean cooking, but cooking is not that difficult. Indian cooking में आप मिक्सी में काफ़ी ग्राइंड कर सकते हो, आपको चॉपिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं है. काफ़ी वेजिटेबल्स कई बार करनी पड़ती है. सो आई एम जस्ट सेइंग जनरल डिफरेंस. लाइक तो मैंने सारी इसमें वेजिटेबल्स डाल दी हैं. The pork will start leaving its oil. Everything will cook in that oil only. And so guys, finally it's ready. ऊपर से sesame oil और sesame seeds मैंने डाल दिया इसमें. So Youngji came down. It's I think 10:30 को ना.
चलो वो लगा दो, मैं इसको छुट्टी आता रहा हूँ. So that no need to touch it.
ये Youngji का baby blanket. Cutie.
Good job. All you got little shoes.
Shoes बोलता रहता है. Shoes पहनता तो है नहीं. It's probably 8 o'clock ना. 8:30 guys. ये stroller अपना उठा के ले आया. Shoes भी दोनों खुद पहनिए. He's like, let's go. बेटा, I'm going to get your breakfast. अब हम नीचे आ रहे हैं. सो इज एक्साइटेड. ये तब से हमारे पीछे पड़ा हुआ है. नीचे चलो, नीचे चलो. शुरू कर दिया था हमने से. शूज़ उतार दिया. He's taking it off because he gets more stability without shoes on this slide. मुझे बोल रहा है साइड में रख दो फोन. You put it there on the side. Put it there. No, नहीं. Take my shoes.
Jacket.
Now he's going down. Yay! There he went.
Morning. Mommy has to suffer like this.
So today I'm making kimchi jjigae, which is kimchi soup basically, for lunch. So I feel like the good thing about pork is that pork itself is going to leave its oil, and that itself adds to the flavor of kimchi jjigae. So that's why pork is usually my first choice. Now in the same, whatever leftover oil that is there, I'm just going to cook kimchi. I'm just going to add this dashi stock. It won't be enough, so I'm going to add some water. I'm also going to add now some gochujang. I'll also add like 1 tablespoon of chili powder to this. And I'm going to now add some spinach to this. I'm going to now add tofu to this. One good way to know whether your tofu is done or not is that tofu will start floating on top. And when my kimchi jjigae is done, I'm just going to garnish it with some sesame oil on the top. Drizzle some sesame oil. And Youngji has lost all patience now. He's been standing manually. And I'm going to garnish it with sesame seeds. Just show you one last time how it looks. This is how it looks. And hey, Khaja, let's see. Where is that? Anyways, guys, I forgot to mention that kimchi jjigae should be made with more pungent kimchi. Like अगर fresh kimchi है ना तो उसके साथ वो इतना pungent taste नहीं आएगा kimchi jjigae में. Youngji is after Ghonu to take him out. अपना stroller को खींच के ले आया बाहर. There he is trying to sit on it. Let's go to the balcony. And boom! अरे तोड़ना था. Wow! He's looking back. Afternoon coffee and carrot cake in the balcony. आज हमने matching कपड़े.
We are going, okay? You want to sit here. See, this is what he has yesterday night also. Like, एक बार चूल्हा करा, वापस बैठ के.
Excuse me, today morning also.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay.
It's like you don't sing.
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
So guys, today I'm going to show you what's in my fridge. First thing, we have 2 fridges. Usually most Korean houses in India have 2 fridge. या तो 2 fridge होता है या एक बड़ा fridge होता है और एक deep freezer होता है because they keep a lot of frozen food that they bring from Korea. तो हमारा भी ऐसा ही कुछ case है. This small fridge is actually all for Korean food. अब तो बहुत खाली है because you know we have not been able to go to Korea. हम usually Korea से जाके stock लेके आते हैं. So you can see I have like Korean pork here. I have some crabs here. I have squid. This was squid. These squid, crab, some fish, some pork, Korean rice cake, some more fish, and I have some spring onion also. I actually used to freeze spring onion because Korean food में spring onion बहुत लगता है. So I have some odeng, and I made this last time, you know, when we had come. And यहाँ पे there is some donkas, pork cutlet, some little bit of ice cream and stuff. अभी तो बहुत कम है actually इसमें सामान. And यहाँ तो बहुत ही कम हो गया है. Like this whole thing was really full. Like one, it was full of noodles. ये नीचे वाला space अभी भी full है. Last time I mentioned in one of the vlogs that we had a lot of seaweed, and this is like dry squid, Korean dry squid that we eat as a snack with mayonnaise. And this is Korean chili powder and like a lot of stuff, and a lot of Pocari Sweat, because I used to I used to work out in the gym earlier with the trainer, so I really needed an energy drink. You can see tuna piche, a lot of seaweed, and this is one Korean snack, very popular. They usually have it with beer. I can never eat this, but those who know, they know. And this is spam. ये हम अभी लेके आए थे जो वो वाला है. And tofu. मतलब पहले हमारे पास यहाँ पे spam तो रखते थे, but tofu रखने की भी जगह नहीं होती थी. That's how full it used to be. This is the Korean curry powder, ottogi, and this is the jajang powder, which is also ottogi. I usually buy this brand. And ये ottogi, you can see. So this is the brand. Kimchi, seaweed. And what's this again? वो kimbap बनाने वाला seaweed, beer, Ghonu's beer, and again some Korean snacks. ये तो I think when somebody came here on a business trip and they gave it to Ghonu, they wanted to see if this would sell in India. We haven't really worked on this thing. This we got this time. Yeah. And this fridge is really full right now, mainly because I put all my stock, including dal, wal, everything inside the fridge since we are not staying here, including rice and atta and besan, everything, along with like some of Youngjae's multivitamins. Again, a lot of Pocari Sweat. You can say, I don't know, I have so much Pocari Sweat. Maybe I should sell it. I think I'm going to just sell it because I'm not really going to use it. And a lot of Big Chill cake. You can see peachy. उल्टा तो कम हो गया. A lot of chili paste, Korean chili paste, and some milk and that Korean palm. Vegetables तो बस इतने से इधर है. This is all stock. Like this is all Indian food stock. तो इधर रख दिया गया है. And some stuff on the side. Yeah. So you guys, these are all the magnets that we collected when we used to travel. This is mostly before Youngjae. Some of it is after Youngjae, but most of it is before Youngjae. So I just took out these small magnets for him. मैं बहुत पहले कभी order करे थे. I don't even know why I ordered them actually. इसको बहुत मजा आता है. I'll show you one more thing. ये इसकी bowling के bottles पड़े हुए हैं. But he should hear it.
That's it. And India में भी चला था.
And guys, shh.
You want to go out? Okay. Where is your store?
It's dark. So we're finally taking him out. He इतनी patiently हमारा wait कर रहा था. Guys, so this is what I got from Uniqlo. This oversized sweatshirt. It's not really oversized. I bought large size. And these trousers, sweats basically. What I like about Uniqlo is that they have pockets. All trousers for women have pockets, which I like. Beta, that can break, okay? Look at his face. Those expressions. How can I send you to school? तुम स्कूल में पता नहीं क्या करोगे?